When you're buying a home and the roof is near the end of its life, knowing what to expect cost-wise for a roof replacement on a 1,200 square foot house plus a garage is key to budgeting right. So here's the deal. First, the fact that there's only one layer of shingles is actually a good thing, because it means you likely won't have to pay extra for tear-off of multiple layers, which can bump up the price. For a roof that size, depending on your location and the materials you choose, you're probably looking at somewhere between $7,000 to $11,000 for a full replacement with decent quality asphalt shingles, which are the most common and budget-friendly option. If you want something more durable like metal or architectural shingles, expect to pay more, sometimes even double that starting range. Also, keep in mind that labor costs can vary widely depending on how busy contractors are in your area, and whether there are complexities like steep pitches or tricky roof lines. Don't forget to factor in extras like new flashing, vents, or gutters if they're worn out or damaged, because those can add a few $100 more. Oh, and always ask your contractor if their quote includes disposal of the old shingles. That's sometimes an added cost. I'd also recommend getting at least 3 quotes from local pros so you can compare prices and get a feel for who's legit and who might be trying to overcharge. One of the biggest mistakes people make when estimating roof replacement costs is not considering all the hidden expenses like permits, disposal fees, and potential repairs under the shingles that only show up once they start tearing off the old roof. Another common issue is jumping straight for the cheapest quote without asking about the warranty on materials and workmanship, because that can save you a lot down the line if anything goes wrong. Lastly, not checking the contractor's credentials or reviews can lead to hiring someone who might do a sloppy job or not finish on time, which means more stress and extra costs for you. To dodge these problems, always ask for a detailed breakdown in writing, verify licenses and insurance, and read reviews from previous customers before making your decision. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch when it comes to hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't ghost you halfway through a project. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, they make it super easy to find work and connect with homeowners who actually need your skills without all the usual hassle.